Entering a new era of mobility, interaction, and usability, Precise ParkLink introduces Parkedin, an integrative cloud-based customer solution like never before, linking airport journeys from the comfort of home to departure gates and beyond. Keeping up with the speed of your business, Parkedin is a sophisticated combination of reservation, validation, and mobility intelligence. Parkedin can be explained in 4 scenarios. In scenario number 1, Joe is a frequent business traveler. He uses the Parkedin app several hours before his flight to view parking availability and reserve corporate parking and additional airport services such as car care, electric vehicle charging, and premium lounge service. When Joe leaves for the airport, geolocation activates and a Waze notification for the fastest route appears. When he arrives at the airport, his Bluetooth Low Energy permit is detected through Parkedin, read and approved by the cloud in a matter of seconds. Joe parks his car and continues to the key drop-off, where his keys are attached to an identifier and submitted into a dispenser. Joe continues to the airport lounge with easy access and departs shortly after. Scheduled within 24 hours of his return, his additional services are completed. The final location of his car is logged into the cloud, and his keys are returned to the dispenser. On the way home, however, Joe's flight is delayed. Luckily, he can extend his reservation on Parkedin. When he returns, Joe uses Parkedin to locate his keys and car. He retrieves his keys and is welcomed home to a washed and fully charged vehicle. In scenario number 2, Sophie is traveling with her mother. When planning their trip, she notices the option to reserve valet parking and wheelchair meet and greet service. She begins her reservation, choosing to check out as a guest. The process is completed with an email confirmation accompanied by a receipt and barcode. When Sophie arrives at the airport, she scans her barcode on the valet attendant's handheld device. She then proceeds to her meet and greet location. In the meantime, the valet parks Sophie's car, updates its location into the cloud, and secures her keys in the key dispenser. When Sophie returns home, she must refer to her initial email confirmation to locate the key pickup. When she retrieves her keys, the location of her car appears on the dispenser. In our third scenario, Pat prepays his parking. While waiting for his luggage, he scans the QR code on his parking ticket using his mobile device. Pat is now able to exit the parking lot with a quick insert of his prepaid ticket. In our last scenario, Julie gets hired by the airport full-time. She's instructed to register for a monthly parking permit using Parkedin. Once approved, a Bluetooth Low Energy permit is generated within the app. A barcode is also generated as backup. When Julie arrives and leaves the parking lot each day, her Bluetooth Low Energy permit is automatically detected without having to open the app. Parkedin is an integrative solution driven by customer experiences that airports can rely on to increase efficiencies and achieve their bottom lines. Take your parking to Cloud 9 with Parkedin.